Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay ikaw.
Welcome back to my channel. Sorry po sa subscribers ko na naghihintay sa next vlog. Ito na po ang inyong hinihintay. So today guys, I'm excited to share with you how I do my hair color. How I do it at home. So it's a do-it-yourself hair color. Alam nyo naman, mahal na mahal po ang magpasalon dito. So, hanggat kaya nyong mag-do-it-yourself sa bahay, it would be much convenient and then swak sa budget. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon is, ano nga babasa ito? Liese.
Stop it. Get some help.
Salamat, may nasa ko guys sa pagbasa guys. So, this is the Liese creamy bubble color. I've already colored my hair with this one before at parang January yata yun guys. Tapos ito na itsura. Hindi na nyo naman itsura. Ganito ang itsura kapag kayo ang nag-hair color ng sariling hair niyo. So anyways guys, hindi naman natin kailangan na perfect. Nobody's perfect in this world.
Paano masabi?
What's important is we know how to carry ourselves. So I'm going to share with you. This is made in Japan. The color that I'm gonna be using is milky beige because I'm preparing something special, guys. Which will happen siguro 2 months from now. So I'm just preparing my hair. So I'm gonna open this one. So when you open it, there's an open sign. So kung marunong kayo magbasa, basahin nyo na lang. Hindi ka pa mag-focus, ayaw na lang, guys. So here is it. I think this is a foamer cup. So, ito yung magme-make ng foam mamaya. Malaking tulong, no? Malaking tulong ng description. And this is the... Baliktad, guys. Dapat pala inuna ko yung solution na. Gawas na lang na ito sa amok ko. So, ito, guys, ang solution 1. Hindi ka pa maklaro? Padayon ta. Solution 2. Di ka pa maklaro guys. Padayon ta. Then, sayang tas oras dali. And the next, ito yata yung rinse off treatment. So, ito yung gagamitin mo after you've done the hair color. Di ka pa maklaro? Padayon ta guys. Sayang oras. And this one, I think this is the instructions. Taas ba ni? Wala mo kaklaro, no? May labay na ni guys. Oh, and we have a pair of gloves, which is really important, especially during these times of the year with the COVID. Dako lang siya sa ako, guys. Pero okay na kasi makuluran ang kamot. This one, dapat niya. So before, I've already tried this one before, guys. Panlapay-lapay. Asa lang tong para, ano rito siya. Sorry guys, akong gilabay ang... Anyways, I'm sure that I'm not allergic to this because I've already used this before. Just a piece of paper. It's a skin allergy test panel, and then you have to provide the others like the cotton swab, some cotton pads. Kung lagi ni guys, mag-do-it-yourself ka, ilaging tinunood ang do-it-yourself na imong gigamit imong gamiton sa do-it-yourself at home man. So, okay? So, when you buy or when you try this one, make sure to prepare a cotton swab and a cotton pad. You will use this for your skin allergy test procedures. But for those who will try this for the first time, here are the instructions, guys. So, first is you prepare the mixture. So, yung mixture, ito yung solution 1 and solution 2. I'll just remind you, okay? The solution 1 is the black one. Mga syunga-syunga, dias. Solution 1 ang itom, ang black, okay? And then the solution 2 is the one with the transparent bottle. Ha? Palihog lang, ha? Palihog lang. So, using a cotton swab, I think it's more known as cotton buds as we use it there. English pa more, guys. Using a cotton swab, take 2 drops of solution 1 and put them on the recessed area of the allergy test panel. Habi si ba ning recess? Una pa may recess. So, ang pasabot lang nila, guys, is this one. So, I have to cut this first. This is the skin allergy test panel. I don't know if you can clearly see it, but just by to experience. So, you have to cut this one. Nakuha. Lasong lang ka. So guys, prepare the mixture. Init na kayo. Init na kayo. Pula na kayo ko. Kailangan 20 degrees. Sorry guys if nakabantay mo na medyo pula na ako. I also need to remind you that this one needs to be in a between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius ang inyong room temp. An hour before you mix the solutions. Kasi dili daw siya mag-foam easily and it's the foam that will make your hair have a vibrant color. So, kay magka-inarte man ko guys, so mag-antos ko sa 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, winter na dili tugnaw na kayo. So, let's proceed. So, muna to guys, ibutan mo dili 2 drops. The solution 1 and then solution 2 and then i-mix mo and then you just put it in here and you just have to wait for I think 48 hours. Kamo na ba nagbasa guys? Problema na ninyo. So here is out to you sa pagpilion guys, syempre ang English. So magsugod na po guys. So this one, remove the white lid of solution 2 and pour guys, ano siya and pour all the contents of solution 1 into the bottle of solution 2. Close the white lid again. Grabe ka literal ang pagka-instruction. Saro, dili ninyo makuha, guys. So, this one. Solution 1. Sayot kayo. Solution 1, solution 2. And this one guys, to avoid producing foam inside the bottle, you have to gently invert the container back and forth 5 times. Do not shake because shaking too hard will cause the mixture to bubble inside the bottle and it may not dispense a foam. Remember what I told you, it's the foam who can make your hair really have the color. So if you are kung naguna na ang foam, kaya pa ni magibutang sa imong buhok, wala na kay color sa imong buhok dahil. So ingani na siya 5 times. So let's count together. Are you ready? 1 2 3 4 and 5. And the next one is and then you will remove this one guys and change it with the foamer cup. So make sure that it clicks, meaning lock na siya guys, kaya kung dili ka gusto na magbaha ang inyong balay sa hair color. And then next is use your gloves. And then you dispense it on your gloved hand. You have to always hold the container upright. See, can you see the foam? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry guys, pardon me. Mababa ang ubo. Just put it here. Make sure guys that you're distributed evenly sa imong hair para patas ang color sa hair. So it's just like applying a shampoo guys, unlike other hair colors where you have to part your hair. This one doesn't need any parting, so it's really easy. I've been coloring my hair ever since siguro high school ako guys or college. Kasi nga wala tayong budget. So kailangan natin gawin na do it yourself sa bahay. So this one so far is the easiest one that I can use, and so far ito sa lahat ng mga nagamit ko na hair colors, I don't know if you have also experienced it, yung mga dito na side guys, because I'm using castor oil and virgin coconut oil. So medyo black yung dito sa side ko. Ito, it can really color the hair. So I'll show it to you later. Dili din mo color mo. Wala ba ta? Hello guys, so I'm back. So I'm gonna leave this for 30 minutes. When I've tried my first time before, it did not color that much that I was expecting. While waiting guys, I'll just talk to you through again with the skin allergy test that I'm just going to reiterate that it's really important for you to have skin test prior to using the hair color. This is because shatalig kay mong hair, siga kay mong hair, guwapa kay mong pamati, pero ikagid na ka. Diba? So dili lalim. So for the signs of allergies, it will be like itchiness, swelling, redness, or rash. So you would really know na kay allergy. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys, you have, prior to putting the foam on your hair, you have to put some jelly to line ng forehead. This is to prevent it from touching your skin. And then, you know, para hindi naman, para dili nito ma-color ang dapit sa hairline, dapit. But I forgot to put it guys. What I was supposed to use is this one. Kasi I don't have petroleum jelly or Vaseline. That's what they, this one, the Cora Organics Balm. But I wasn't able to use it, so good luck to me. And then, i-leave mo ng 20 to 30 minutes. Tapos, recommended nila na wait for an additional 5 to 10 minutes kung mahirap i-color yung hair mo. And then, if you're, you know, if you're used to having the hair colors, if you cannot get the exact color that you're wanting or trying to achieve. And then, if your hair is also thick, my hair is really thin, guys, but it's much improved ever since I've been using castor oil and virgin coconut oil. So if you want to know how I do my hair routine regarding for it to be thick, you know, just leave a message or leave a comment below if you want to know my hair routine. Pero kung dili mo ganahan guys, ayaw na lang mo pagpareklamo kay kalat. Ako kaya po siya i-upload pala di mo ganahan. So muna to. So I'm just waiting for the time. So while waiting guys, manghilo sa ako sa among balay. I'll be back.
Ipili siya, simulat muli ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito.
Aking binibini, ikaw ang pinipili sa simula't huli ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ay nasa panaginip, parang ang masama kasama kay para na akong naiibang. Ikaw ay nasa panaginip, parang ang masama kasama kay para na akong naiibang.
Uy, bakay, uy!
Aking binibini, ikaw ang pinipili siya, simulat muli ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko, binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo, sana ay ipong habang buhay na ito.
sumasama kasama kay para na akong naiibang.
So, hello guys! Ito na po yung, this is the result of the hair color. So, I don't know if you've seen some changes. I'll be attaching a photo here from the before and after picture. So, I hope you've learned something from the video or you enjoyed watching it. And please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you! Bye!